Hi, my name is Nick and we're back for another WiZiX Toshiba Tip Tuesday. Today we're going to show you how to effectively rotate and sort on your Toshiba MFP. This is really helpful when you have a large job or a large packet and you need to print them out. You don't want to have to sort and assemble those later. The machine will do it for you. So we're going to come up to the machine, place your documents in the doc feeder. We're running Elevate, so you click copy. Copy mode, we're flipping out a simple copy. Now finishing, click the finishing, rotate sort, then enter the number of copies. We'll make 3. Okay, okay. Start the job. It's gonna rotate and sort them automatically because 2 of the drawers are pulling the paper perpendicularly, where 1 is pulling horizontal, which allows the sets to come out rotated and pre-made. Makes for an efficient printing process, and that was your WiZiX Toshiba Tip Tuesday.